I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make takeaway style keema rice. This takeaway and restaurant style keema rice uses my spiced lamb keema and fluffy basmati rice. The links to both are in the description below on my website and will pop up during the video. An easy to prepare dish, as the keema mix and basmati rice can be made in advance. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and switch on notifications. Thanks. This week I'm using a wok, but any non-stick pan will be fine. Add the oil to a pan on medium heat and add the onions. Stir through and allow to fry for 30 seconds. Next, add the raw keema mince and fry for around 5 minutes to cook through and release those fantastically flavoured oils and spices. You'll need to keep stirring and chopping to break down the keema at this stage. Continue to cook, stirring and breaking the mince into smaller pieces until the onions begin to brown. Turn the heat down a little, add in the garlic paste, spice mix, salt, sugar and methi. Mix through well and allow to fry for a minute, stirring frequently. For this dish you can use raw and pre-cooked keema. I prefer to cook from raw, as the oil released during frying adds loads more flavour to the dish. Add in the cold pre-cooked rice, stir through and allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently but frequently. Finally, sprinkle over the fresh chopped coriander, stir through, frying for a further 30 seconds, then serve. Please don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.